is dragging on. It seems we all keep searching for a way in this world, but will we ever find it? Why is everything so complicated?
I don't know, I just try to.
Why are we worrying? It doesn't lead to anything. Fears are leading you nowhere. Just keep smiling and be aware that everything's gonna be alright. On a day in July 2006, I was walking in the park doing nothing at all,
Just living on a Saturday
enjoying every step I made. The sun was shining, the clouds were gone, the birds were whistling a sweet song, and they would say, don't you worry at all, just enjoy this fine, fine day. Telling lies, well, we maintain our disguise. I was always honest to you because I want the best for you. And don't become too critical. Just put a smile on your pretty face and don't become your own disgrace. Why is everything so complicated? Why are we worrying? It doesn't lead to anything. Fears are leading you nowhere. Just keep smiling and be aware that everything that moment in the park. Although I stay aware of undivided thought, a split second can mean so much, but in so many ways slowly fade away. We keep on trying and we keep on fading away. The many bruises we will soon fade away. It's a process and we keep on fading away.